shell of rotary kilns is operating in high temperatures. In case of excessive heat, the shell might deform or deflect. High value of local deformations can cause problems with kiln's internal refractory lining, which has a negative impact on its lifetime. Moreover, any type of alignment deviation to the shell transfer very high forces to other kiln components, and causing their gradual and faster wear. Kiln shell laser is a measurement tool, which measures the deformations in rotary kilns during operation. The tool can be used to measure just one cross-section, a specific area containing a few cross-sections of interest, or the whole kiln to get the full picture. To measure the shape of the shell, the kiln shell laser is placed along the rotating kiln and measures continuously the distance to the shell surface. Deformations for each measured position generate and appear as a graph. Several measurements along the kiln can be combined into a full three-dimensional graph. The three-dimensional graph shows the severity of the deformations in different colors, which are a great help to identify the areas where special attention to the refractory is required. In case of reduced refractory lifetime due to shell deformation, the sensor helps to decide which shell sections need to be replaced. The more cross sections are measured, the more detailed becomes the picture of the kiln, but there are some areas need to be focused on in measuring the shell deformation. The areas of refractory failures, to check if a roundness deviation in the shell is the root cause or not. The areas of kiln inlet and outlet, to know the impact on the seals. The areas of kiln tires, to see the impact of the shell deformations on the tire wobbling, to understand their correlation, and to identify the location of possible correction cuts. The areas where shell sections need to be replaced, to find a good locations with low runout, where new shell pieces easily can be connected. And the areas of the girth gear, in case of a replacement of the gear, if the shell needs to be replaced as well.